What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to add charts in Canva. And if you find this guide helpful, please consider liking and subscribing so others can see it too. Start by opening up your Canva design, and then on the left-hand panel, you can click Elements. If you scroll down, click Charts. Here you will find different chart types. You can simply click on the one that you're looking for, and it will automatically be added onto your design. Once you've clicked on a chart, you will find the data table that will open up. Here you can enter in the different values and also adjust the labels accordingly. In this bar graph, if you would like to add more, you can simply type in the labels and the values, and the table will automatically adjust. You can also customize colors and font accordingly. And that's how you add charts in Canva.